going on, guys? We're going to cover some of today's price action. So finally today we got a little bit of a washout, as you know, the market kind of needs, right? We don't need to really consistently push all-time high day after day after day after day. Market needs a little bit of a reset here. There was a lot of things going on off the open. We had some numbers, jolts. Powell was, speaking whatever he was doing, right? So kind of coming into today's session, one level that I was really looking at, if we focus on the right hand side of the screen, this is a 1 hour chart. I was focused on yesterday's lows. If we were to get down below yesterday's lows and then kind of confirm that, which happened here on that big move, you definitely are going to have a trade. One thing that I want to kind of point out to you guys is that if you guys use some type of smaller time frame, let's call it sub 5 minutes, to take your entries, it's really good to try to play higher time frame levels, play some macro levels, and then find those scalps on the smaller time frame around those higher time frame levels. So previous day high, previous day low, overnight high, overnight low, London high, Asian high, whatever, any one of the higher time frames. Look at those highs and lows and then kind of mark them out on your chart, and then look for the breaks, look for the retest, look for the breaks, look for the confirmations of those levels, and you're typically going to do okay. You're not going to get absolutely destroyed. Now again, there's going to be some days where it's a little bit of a fake out, but more times than not, if you just sit and be patient, instead of trading off the open, look at the left hand side of the screen. This is a 5 minute chart. Instead of trading off the open, up down up down up down, why not just wait for a previous day low to get broken, right? Why not? If that previous day low never got broken, then why not wait for the pre-market high to get broken, right? So again, why trade in the middle of a range, up down, when you can wait for some of these higher time frame levels to get broken here, and then look at the pre-market level that got broken here at 22,754, absolutely flushed into your daily 5 SMA. These are levels that you can play. These are levels that you can play below the daily 5 into that previous day low. You have levels to play. And then same thing for the bounce. Look at the bounce off of Friday's low, right? So if you go back to Friday, the bounce off of 22,599, off of 22,599, that Friday low price, we got that bounce right back into the daily 5, and again, that provided a little bit of an opportunity to make some cash. So wait for some of these bigger levels to confirm, match that up with the smaller time frame, so you can kind of pinpoint your entry a little bit stronger, and I think you're going to do a lot better. So those were some of the moves that I took. The first trade that I really took today was when we swept through, right, this dotted line here, when we swept through 22,754. So look at the sweep on the left hand side of the chart, 7:25 Pacific Standard Time. We swept through 22,754. We bounced and got rejected at previous day low. Very bearish. So here's your break, here's your retest, and then once you start to confirm that break, you want to go short. This is where I did a lot of my work and then just kind of wrapped it up. Took no part of the bigger, faster move here and took no part of this bounce, but we made about just shy of $400 on the top step accounts. So we're just going to wrap it up there and kind of just chart watch today and see what else happens and what levels we can look at to play tomorrow. Again, you never want to get greedy. You never want to sit and trade all day, even if the price action looks like you can take another trade. You never really want to get stuck trading, especially when you're profitable and you can log in one of those green days with the prop firms. With that being said, guys, Apex is 80% off. You can use code DAnthony. Also, if you guys want to join Evolution Traders, I have one space available as we start this new month in July. Definitely would be open to taking on another trader in the community. That link is down in the description box below. I will see everyone on the next video.